Apple Incorporated is one of the most influential and well-known technology companies in the world. It was founded in April 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. The company's economic head office, Apple Park, is situated in Cupertino, California, USA. Apple is famous for its innovation consumer electronics, including the iPhone, iPad, MacBook computer, and Apple Watch. Beyond hardware, they offer popular services like the Apple and iCloud. They target customers are primarily tech enthusiasts, creative professionals, and everyday use who appreciate the high-quality design and user-friendly software. To maintain its leading position, Apple competes firstly with other global giants such as Samsung, Microsoft, and Google. Today, it remains a pioneer in the global tech industry.